Hello, I'm Aitir Shiram, an electronic BTech student. So let's not waste time and get into the content. So today we have another video on computer system. This is an intro video of chapter 2 where I'll be talking about the current technologies. In this series, we'll be having an overview of computer system, separate playlist for each domain, and we'll be starting with bare minimum and we'll be working our way up. Objective is to share knowledge. Talking about the reference books I've used, the first book I have used is Basic Computer Architecture by Smriti R. Sarangi. He's an Indian author from IIT Delhi. And then we have Computer Organization and Design and Computer Architecture, a quantitative approach by David A. Patterson. It's very famous. I'll be sharing the links for that. So first we need to talk about difference between architecture and organization. So here you can see the basic differences, but in order to abstract it, computer architecture is what something a programmer will be working with. Like they'll be having idea about this. With this computer architecture, with the information about this, they will be programming codes. So coming to computer organization, it is actually how the architecture is implemented. So it's about implementation. So a programmer need not know how it is working, but he needs to know about the computer architecture to like code on that. So in computer architecture, we'll be first talking about binary numbers. Then we'll be talking about how the computers are instructed. And as we know, computers are basically dumb. They know how to do an instruction repetitively, and it can do the same instruction so fast that when it is structured in a beautiful way, can beat humans. Next, talking about assembly language is something which is more understandable to humans and which will be converted to binary language which will be understood by computers. So more into these instructions, how instructions are performed, like how they are like made. So we'll be talking about that. Then we'll be having computer organization. In this we'll be talking about the processor design. First we'll be talking about processor design, then we'll be talking about transistors. In that we'll be talking like what are the technology used and what are the type of transistors, how we'll be like making basic components out of it. Then we'll be talking about combinational circuits, sequential circuits, memories, computer arithmetics, which we'll be dealing with how basic operations are done. Then we'll be diving deep into designs. This will be can be even made into a separate playlist where I'll be talking about designs of different architectures. So coming to system design here, we'll be talking about how the memory, the hierarchy of memory, and how we efficiently utilize it. Then we'll be talking about multiprocessor systems, and there is lot more coming in this playlist. And yes, it's not just confined to this. We'll be talking about the new trends. We'll be talking about, as we go on, we'll be updating to this playlist. So that's it. See you in the next video.